right, guys, it's me, Rick Damath. Remember me from Cowtown USA in a place called Cuba, Missouri? Hey, we just traded for a really, really nice CM trailer, 6 wide, probably a little over 6 tall. Got your tack room in the front, full escape door, all your removable plexiglass. It's sitting on a brand new set of 14-ply Radial tires. Let me see here. Brakes on both axles and torsion suspension with plexiglass removable, six roof vents. It's your rear ramp on it. It's all factory prefer pins, rubber mats on the floor. There's your roof vents, guys. You're seeing it as I got it. So I have not serviced it yet. I will service it. It will be clean, which is pretty clean right now. But anyway, all the lights work on it. I mean, this is a nice unit. Got your extra long tongue. If you want to set a generator on it, you can do that. Very little spot. Come right here. Place to hang your wherever you want to hang, spare tire wheel. We're back up here for you. Come see it. I don't know what else to tell you. A nice, clean, used trailer. Very well taken care of. I mean, it is what it is. You're not going to pick it apart. You're not going to pick it apart. It is a nice trailer. Again, Cowtown, USA, a little town called Cuba, Missouri, southwest of St. Louis, Missouri, right on Interstate 44. Give us a call, 573-885-6300. Give us a call, 573-885-6300. It is a Show Pro trailer from CM, and it is a kind of metallic silver, metallic gray. Looks like it's been stored. I mean, it's a nice unit. Thank you, guys.
Hi everybody, I'm here with Warren, Charlotte, and Paul, and they just bought a Spider, taking it home today. They bought a 2013 low mileage, really nice unit. They're getting it ready in the shop for them, and they're going to start riding it today. How do we treat you guys?
Very good.
So you would refer somebody to us when they say, wow, where'd you find that thing?
Yeah, right. And this is the second time I bought from here. I bought a Can-Am here once before. Thought I'd come back and get another one.
Well, we sure appreciate the repeat business. Thank you, guys.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.